beautiful. Time is what makes it ugly. But time after time and through every turn in this life, I could use some stability. We fly and we fall, but we don't fall apart. Break after break, each piece of my heart. Lovers have come and lovers have gone, but you still feel like right when the whole world feels wrong. They say history repeats itself, but a memory is for the shelf. Well, I replay the moments and years of our lives while I'm praying and hoping there will always be you and I. Tell me, how good do people grow? Rearrange and transpose.
I take my coffee black. How about you? Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. One of the ways I do that is by budget decorating. I love to thrift, I love to upcycle, I love to DIY. And in today's video, it's going to be just a little vlog style video. I'm going to be sharing with you some new items that I picked up recently, and my plans for my loft space. You guys remember I am doing little mini refreshes around my home in an old home to new house series, or old house to new home. I forget how I originally said it. But if you missed any of those videos, they will be linked in the description box down below, so make sure you go check them out. I'm sorry you hear my air conditioner coming on, but yeah, so it's just going to be a vlog style video today. If you like these type of videos, or you want to see what I am up to around my home for summer this year, just make sure you keep watching. Guys, so this is how my loft space is currently looking. It has been through several iterations of looks since we've been here. And this is how it looks currently. It's this current state. So you guys know I hate filming up here because of the light. Sorry, there's nothing I can do about that, so bear with me. So this loft space is very, very small, and one of the things I like to do, or want to do, is try to open up the space to make it appear larger. And I know you're saying, Cheryl, if your loft space is small, why did you paint your wall black? Well, I want to create a dramatic, moody experience. You guys know I love a good moody vibe, so I thought painting the wall black, putting some molding on this wall, and I'll put up some inspiration photos here, some ideas of what I'm thinking, and I thought it would give it a not so flat, one-dimensional effect by putting the molding. And I also want to add mirrors to bring in more light. So the TV is the center, the focus of this wall, along with a fireplace. And I feel like adding 2 mirrors on either side, boxed out and molding, would look really, really great. Now, because I'm adding mirrors, the lamps can't be too tall. So I'm thinking, do I have lamps? Do I not have lamps? So you guys remember I had some really tall white lamps here before, and I'm using what I have. Remember, I told you guys I wanted to buy some new things, and I wanted those Jamie Young lamps, but when I mount the mirrors, if I get those Jamie Young lamps, because they are 32 inches tall, they would totally obscure the mirrors. And the mirror, along with everything else on this wall, I want to be the focal point, so I couldn't use those, even though I know it would look really, really good. So what I decided to do is bring in these lamps. Now, these lamps came from Wayfair, oh my gosh, I want to say 10 years ago or more. As a matter of fact, they are still available. And I had these in my master bedroom at our previous home. So I decided to bring them out and see how they would look on the wall, even though they're not white, because I think white would pop on the black wall. The silver gives me the same effect. So it does pop against the black wall. So I'm thinking about using what I have and using these lamps. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about these lamps. I know they're a little glam. This is when I was in my more glam phase, and this space is going to have more of a modern glam look because I am using some mirrors. Yeah, I know I'm going to love it, or at least I think I will. And I think you guys will too. You just have to see the vision, how it would all come together. And then I'm thinking about changing out the curtains here in this space. We got a new couch. I don't want to show that to you too much until I get it all together, but that's the couch. We got this rug last year. I've been thinking about changing out the coffee table to something lighter, something glass. We shall see, but that is the thought process behind this room. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you are thinking about where I am going with this space. Any ideas you might want to leave in the comments down below. Leave them down there so I can check them out. And yeah, this room is going to be put together here really, really soon. But I just wanted to show you where we're starting. Like I said, this room has been through many iterations over the years. It was really, really ugly when we first moved in. I had a large bookcase over on this side because it was our movie room. I was going to put movies in it, but then, you know, things change. People don't watch physical movies anymore. Now everything is streamed. So I didn't need that, so I turned it into a decorative bookcase, and I lived with that for a few years, and just a couple of years ago I got this fireplace. So again, it's going through a few iterations and it's coming up on its next one, and I can't wait to put it together. So I have been sourcing a few items to put in the space, so let me show you what I picked up. All right, so you guys have seen these mirrors. These are ones that will be going in the loft space. This is the new rug that will be going in the area. I told you I might be using these lamps. I am not sure yet. And then this is the other stuff that I picked up. So we're going to do a small unboxing. All right, so I told you guys I wanted to create a dramatic, moody vibe for my loft space, and that's why I painted the wall black. So we're gonna have the two mirrors. We're gonna have the two mirrors on either side. We're gonna do some molding on the wall. And I wanna change out, I think, the coffee table to something lighter, like I said, and the curtains. So right now the curtains are black and white. And I'm thinking, since I wanna go for a more moody, dramatic effect, I want to make the curtains black as well. And I know what you're thinking, Cheryl, your room is too small for all that black. But I think it can handle it, guys. And if it can't, we can always change the curtains. Curtains are relatively inexpensive. But anyway, so these are the curtains that I picked up. These curtains are from Amazon. Sorry for all the crackling paper. They are from Juicy Couture. And look, guys, look at this fabric. So it's like a brushed suede material. And I think the combination with the black wall and the mirrors and everything else I'm bringing in is gonna look so nice, so high end. These are a pair of two extra wide faux suede curtain panels. And I think these were like $40 from Amazon. I absolutely love the material. If I can't use them in the loft, I can always try using them somewhere else. But I just love the texture of these, and I think it will bring that modern glam look that I am trying to achieve in the loft. So the next thing I want to show you came from Target. I've never done an unboxing before, and I think I've done hauls with you, but not so much unboxing. I've always had these boxes open, so I apologize for all the noise. Oh, come on. Okay, so these next items are a pack of 3. And I told you I want to change the coffee table, but if I don't end up changing the coffee table, if I want to be more budget conscious and use what I have, these pieces I think will be excellent. And I don't want to break them. Hold on a second. All right, so I've got the vases out of their packaging, and this is how they look. Totally not what I was expecting. So I thought these were going to be an antiqued mirrored vase. I guess I read the description wrong, but this is how they are looking. They're silver, so they do sort of have a mirrored finish, but totally not what I was expecting. These came from Cosmo Living, from Target. They were $39.99. And I was thinking that price is awfully cheap if these are antique mirrors, and I guess my instincts were correct, because again, totally not what I was expecting. But if I were to use them on this black coffee table that I have in the space currently, this is how they would look. Again, not what I was expecting, so I am not sure I am going to keep these. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Should I keep these or should I send them back? All right, guys, so those vases were totally not what I was expecting. Again, I was expecting an antiqued mirrored finish, like, with the slight imperfections on the glass and then the metal trim to hold the mirrors in place. I don't know, I'm just feeling shiny metallics this year. You guys know I am going for a black tie theme for Christmas, and I guess that's where my mind is, bringing in all these luxurious metallic pieces with the black and the white. I don't know, I'm just feeling it. So I don't know if I'm going to keep those. I might keep them, I might send them back. I'm not really sure. Yeah, leave me a comment down below. So the next piece I got also came from Target. I know you guys know that Studio McGee launched their new fall line with Target. I am not a Studio McGee fan per se. There are some things that she drops that I do like, but the majority of it I do not. You guys know that is totally not my style. However, when I saw this piece, I decided, that might be worth a look. So I ordered this from Target, and oh my gosh, guys, oh my gosh, look at this vase. OMGs, can we get a thumbnail, please? Look how nice this vase looks. You guys know I love smoky glass, and this is right up my alley. I can see this styled in my loft space with some white roses. Oh my gosh, it's so high end, so luxe, and the best part, it was only $20. Don't walk, run to your nearest Target and pick up this vase. Oh my gosh, it is so, so nice, so moody. Again, I'm going for that moody, mysterious, speakeasy type vibe in my loft, and this is perfect. Absolutely love this. This will not be going back. All right, and then the next and the final thing that I picked up. So if you are a member of Pottery Barn, or let's say if you're a fan of Pottery Barn or West Elm, their sister store, you probably have an account, and with that account you get reward points when you buy things, and they also give you reward points for your birthday. So you guys know I had a birthday recently, and I wanted to use those reward points to pick up something that I think would look perfect on my bar in my Moody Speakeasy loft. So guys, are you ready? Again, I know you're thinking, you're probably gonna say, Cheryl, not again. But yes, look at these smoky highball glasses. Oh my gosh, so nice. These were like $45. They're hand blown. Look how nice these are. Oh, these are gonna look so nice on the bar. There are 4 of them total. This is just 3 of them. But can you see the vision now that I have for my loft? Oh my gosh, it's gonna look so nice, so modern, so luxurious. I am so excited to put the space together. I cannot wait. I want to take you guys along with me, and I hope you want to go along with me on the journey. It is going to be put together like I did my kitchen in phases. So the first phase was that we painted out the wall black. The next phase, I'm going to hang the mirrors and put up the molding on the wall. I have to hang the mirrors first and then put the molding around it to, you know, make sure that everything is straight and has the proper measurements. I have to put up the mirrors first. I need my boyfriend's help with that because they are extremely heavy. So that's gonna be the next step. Then we're gonna do I think the curtains, and then we're gonna put down the new rug. And yeah, oh my gosh guys, I'm so excited for this space. I can't wait to see it come together. I hope you are just as excited as I am, and if so, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStyle family. We have so many new family members here. Thank you guys so much for clicking on my channel, for liking the videos, helping my channel grow. I greatly appreciate all your support. Every time you guys leave a thumbs up or you leave a comment, it helps my channel. I would so appreciate it if you would do that. It doesn't cost anything. I want to try to help as many people as possible get their budget luxury look for less. So yeah, leave a comment down below, guys. Let me know what you think of my plans so far for my loft. Leave me some comments down below for any suggestions that you think I should do as well. I'm always open to constructive criticism. Don't be mean or nasty, but I do love constructive feedback. So leave me those comments down below. Let me know what you think of my ideas so far. And with that, my friends, I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.